Hey guys, Matt with TopHap here. Today we're talking about broader area demographics, and more specifically single versus married. Because when people move into specific areas, different individuals have different requirements. Some people may want to be surrounded by singles, and some people may want to be in more family areas. Whatever it is, TopHap has a filter for it. Check it out.
So here we're focused on the San Francisco Bay Area in California. If you were moving here from out of the area, you would want to know what the breakdown of the population is. If you're looking for family neighborhoods, single neighborhoods, older neighborhoods, and one way to easily figure this out is with a community filter. So I click on the community filter tab at the bottom of the page and hit the Now Married button. This very quickly highlights the population areas that have the highest density of married individuals. The darker the color, the more married people there are. The lighter the color, the fewer married people there are. If I was single and looking to be in a single area, I would likely focus on San Francisco or areas of Oakland and Berkeley. If I was looking for more family-oriented neighborhoods, I'd likely look at Orinda, Alamo, Danville, and the surrounding areas. It is important to note, however, if we zoom into the Walnut Creek area, we see very quickly that there is still large variation even within this sub-area. The farther south you go, you have more married populations, and the closer to Walnut Creek, you have more single populations. Using the community filter in this way and zooming in and out of specific areas will allow you to find the best places to move into if you're looking for specific types of family breakdowns. This is just another way that TopHap helps you find the right house and the right community for you.
I hope you enjoyed the video, but remember, TopHap isn't just for helping you find area demographics. So please watch the other videos to learn more.